Welcome to our favourite recipes, Canada Day 2021. My name is Mike from Humble Pie, and today I will be sharing our recipe for Donair pie. In New Zealand, where I'm from, if you go to any gas station or cafe or restaurant or anything like that, if you go in there, there's a pie warmer, and inside there's pies, like savoury pies wrapped in butterpuff pastry. When I got here, I couldn't find any, so I started making them for myself. Eventually, because you can't make just one, you make a batch, I started giving them away. People liked them, so we went to the market. We were doing 50 a week, then 100 a week, then 300 a week. When we were waiting for somebody to deliver something, we put a Humble Pie sign in the window for them to drop the delivery here, and somebody went by and took a photo and tweeted that we were opening a store. And it got shared, and all of a sudden we thought, well, maybe we should open a store.
Wow,
so that's how we came to be retailing pies out through the front door instead of at the market. So we went from 300 to 500 pretty much overnight, and then we've sort of gradually built up over the last 4 or 5 years to last Christmas we were doing like 1,500 pies a week, and the day before Christmas we sold over 600. The original reason that we made a Donair pie was for Canada Day. About 5 or 6 years ago, when we first started, we would tell people that we have pies with steak and cheese in them, and they would sort of say things like, oh, that doesn't go in a pie. So what we thought was we'd grab something a little bit more familiar for the Canadians that could look at it and go, oh, let's try that just to be different. So we chose the Donair pie, and we put it out for Canada Day, and it actually got really popular on Twitter and became a standard pie for us. So that's what we do. We take a food that was brought to Canada by an immigrant, and it's become the official food of Halifax. And now we're taking it and putting it into our form of cuisine, and putting it out there again as something different with another immigrant's slant on it, if you know what I mean. The pie culture of New Zealand was brought by the Europeans that settled there, but it's become a real integral part of the New Zealand lifestyle. And I think that, to be honest, Halifax is going to benefit even more from the diversity of the people that are coming here, as far as the food options that are available and the variety of food that you can buy. I don't know, I just think it's variety is good for everybody. It helps with unification and diversity.